Although the market is overflowed with SUVs, minivans are still there with solid sales figures thanks to the fact that they have evolved into something that goes way beyond bare practicality. And the Sienna is the perfect example, as a minivan that has so much more to offer that even the biggest minivan skeptics are considering it these days. There are 6 ways the 2026 Toyota Sienna turns Toyota critics into cheerleaders. Let's check them out. Number 6. Efficient and super reliable hybrid powertrain. One of the biggest criticisms Toyota has faced is that their vehicles are either efficient but boring or powerful but thirsty. The 2026 Sienna is proving that this trade-off no longer exists. The standard hybrid powertrain is delivering fuel economy numbers that are making even the most fuel-conscious consumers do double takes. With EPA estimates of 36 miles per gallon combined for front-wheel drive models and 35 miles per gallon for all-wheel drive versions, the Sienna is achieving fuel efficiency that puts most compact cars to shame. But real-world testing is revealing even more impressive results. Independent tests are showing that the Sienna can easily exceed 40 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions, with some drivers reporting over 42 miles per gallon during highway-focused trips. The powertrain itself combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to produce 245 horsepower. What's winning over critics isn't the power output, but the seamless integration between the gas engine and electric motors. The system is delivering instant torque for city driving, while maintaining impressive efficiency during highway cruising. Perhaps most importantly for skeptics, Toyota's hybrid technology is proving its long-term reliability. The hybrid system comes with a 10-year, 150,000-mile battery warranty, demonstrating Toyota's confidence in the technology that's converting critics who previously worried about hybrid complexity and maintenance costs. This isn't experimental technology anymore. It's proven, refined, and ready for families who need dependability above all else. The reliability factor is particularly significant because critics often assumed that choosing efficiency meant sacrificing dependability. The Sienna's hybrid system is disproving this notion entirely, offering both exceptional fuel economy and the rock-solid reliability that Toyota is famous for. Number 5. Comfortable and composed ride. Traditional Toyota critics have long complained that the brand prioritizes reliability over driving excitement. The 2026 Sienna is challenging this perception with a suspension setup that manages to be both comfortable for families and surprisingly engaging for drivers who care about road feel. The Sienna's chassis tuning is delivering ride quality that rivals luxury SUVs while maintaining better body control than most minivans on the market. The suspension absorbs road imperfections beautifully, keeping passengers comfortable even during longer road trips. But what's surprising critics is how composed the Sienna feels when the road gets twisty. Unlike many minivans that feel disconnected and floaty, the Sienna is offering steering feedback and cornering stability that makes it genuinely enjoyable to drive. The vehicle maintains minimal body roll through turns, giving drivers confidence that was previously missing from Toyota's people movers. The available all-wheel drive system is adding another layer of capability that's impressing former skeptics. This isn't just a system for snowy weather, it's a sophisticated setup that enhances both traction and handling in various driving conditions. The all-wheel drive Sienna is providing reassurance for families who need to tackle different terrains and weather conditions throughout the year. For critics who previously dismissed Toyota vehicles as uninspiring to drive, the Sienna's balanced approach to comfort and handling is proving that practicality doesn't have to mean boring. The minivan is delivering the smooth, refined ride that families expect while offering enough driving engagement to keep enthusiasts from feeling completely disconnected from the experience. Number 4. Super comfortable 3 rows. Comfort has always been a strength for Toyota, but the Sienna is taking passenger comfort to levels that are surprising even longtime Toyota owners. All 3 rows are offering genuine comfort for adults, addressing one of the most common complaints about 3-row vehicles. The first row provides excellent support and adjustability, with available features like heated and ventilated seats that rival luxury vehicles. The driving position is commanding but not truck-like, giving drivers excellent visibility while maintaining car-like ease of entry and exit. The second row is where the Sienna truly shines for passenger comfort. Available captain's chairs can slide up to 25 inches fore and aft, allowing passengers to find their perfect position, whether they're prioritizing legroom or need to access the third row easily. The available Ottoman-style footrests and reclining capability create a business-class airline experience that's making critics reconsider their assumptions about minivan luxury. Even the third row offers genuine adult-sized comfort, which is rare in this segment. The seating position isn't punitive, and there's actually adequate legroom for adults during shorter trips. The third row also folds flat into the floor, creating a massive cargo area when maximum hauling capacity is needed. needed. Climate control reaches all 3 rows effectively, ensuring that passengers in every seat can stay comfortable regardless of outside conditions. The available 4-zone automatic climate control gives each area of the cabin independent temperature control, a feature that's typically reserved for much more expensive luxury vehicles. For critics who previously viewed Toyota interiors as functional but uninspiring, the Sienna's focus on passenger comfort across all 3 rows is demonstrating that practical can also mean genuinely pleasant. Number 3. Practicality that goes beyond minivan fundamentals. While minivans are inherently practical, the 2026 Sienna is offering convenience features that go far beyond basic people-moving capability. These aren't just gimmicks. They're thoughtful additions that are making daily life easier in ways that are impressing even the most practical-minded critics. The available built-in vacuum cleaner is mounted in the front center console, making it easily accessible for quick cleanups without having to drag out a full-sized vacuum from the garage. This isn't a toy. It's a genuine shop vac quality system that can handle serious messes. For families with kids, pets, or active lifestyles, this feature alone is worth thousands of dollars in convenience. The available FridgeBox Junior refrigerator is another game-changing feature that's making long road trips and daily errands more convenient. Located in the center console, it can keep drinks cold and snacks fresh, eliminating the need for coolers and ice on family trips. Storage solutions throughout the cabin are both abundant and intelligently designed. There are 18 cup holders scattered throughout the 3 rows, ensuring that every passenger has convenient drink storage. The large center console stretches from the dashboard to the second row, providing enormous storage capacity for larger items. The power sliding doors and power liftgate come with hands-free operation, allowing parents with full hands to access the vehicle easily. The kick-activated sliding doors are particularly useful when carrying groceries, sports equipment, or dealing with car seats. Number 2. Excellent visibility. Visibility has become a major concern in modern vehicles as designs prioritize style over sightlines. The 2026 Sienna is bucking this trend with exceptional visibility that's making safety-conscious buyers take notice. For critics who worried that Toyota was sacrificing practicality for aesthetics, the Sienna's visibility is proving that functional design is still a priority. The cabin features large glass surfaces all around, providing drivers with excellent sightlines in every direction. The A-pillars are positioned to minimize blind spots, and the large side windows ensure that passengers and cargo are easy to monitor. The rear windows are particularly generous, making it easy to keep track of children in the 3rd row. But Toyota isn't relying solely on glass to provide visibility. The available 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the entire vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. The system uses multiple cameras to create a seamless overhead view that shows exactly where the vehicle is in relation to obstacles. The available digital rear-view mirror is another technological solution that's impressing critics. When cargo or passengers block the traditional rear-view mirror, the digital system provides a clear view of what's behind the vehicle. Number 1. Generous list of standard equipment. Every Sienna comes standard with the hybrid powertrain, eliminating the efficiency penalty that typically comes with choosing the base engine. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the lineup, along with multiple USB ports to keep devices charged throughout the cabin. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard on every model, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with steering assist, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. These are features that many manufacturers reserve for higher trim levels, but Toyota is making them accessible to every Sienna buyer. The base LE trim includes features like tri-zone automatic climate control, push-button start, and remote keyless entry, amenities that create a premium ownership experience even at the entry level. An 8-inch touchscreen is standard, providing a modern infotainment experience without requiring buyers to step up to higher trim levels. Even the base stereo system includes 6 speakers, ensuring decent audio quality for families who prioritize value over premium sound. A Wi-Fi hotspot is standard, keeping passengers connected during long trips or while waiting in the vehicle. For critics who previously viewed Toyota as nickel and diming customers with endless options packages, the Sienna's generous standard equipment list is demonstrating a different approach to value. The vehicle offers genuine capability and convenience right from the base price, making it accessible to families who need minivan functionality without luxury vehicle pricing. But Sienna isn't the only car on the market that managed to impress even the biggest skeptics. Check out this video about the all-new 2026 Chevy Equinox that's turning critics into cheerleaders, which you can now see on the screen. The current generation of Chevy's compact SUV feels way more mature than any of its predecessors.